Y'all can actually be seated for a moment. We're going to do something a little different. This week, most of you know, you may remember from last week, we talked about there were 30 of us headed up to the mountains for the youth retreat. And I think it was on Wednesday night when we had gotten there and we had done our first session. I had this crazy idea that kind of came out of nowhere, and I then proceeded to say it out loud, so then I had to follow through on it. I said to the students, I said, hey, I kind of feel like I want to write a song for us out of what we're going through this week. And we had started to walk through Romans chapter 1. And if any of you have read that chapter, it is a very powerful and very profound and very interesting chapter of Scripture. And so we headed back up to the cabin, and I said, hey, I'm just going to bring my guitar out, and I'm going to sit on the patio, and if any of you are musically interested or inclined, come and sit with us, and we'll see what happens. And so one of the students plays guitar and had a chord progression. I said, sure, we'll use that. And then one of the other students, I said, hey, can you read Romans 1, 18 through 20? And she read through it a couple of times, and then there were a couple of other students who were asking questions, and so we just kind of started writing this song. And the next night, I got together with some more of the students. We went to the dining hall and sat down with a djembe and a couple of guitars, and I think there were 4 of us there, and just kind of worked through the rest of the song. And by Thursday night, we had written this song, and I was like, well, cool. And so then Friday, we sang it together as a group, and so we're going to do it here this morning. So we're going to teach you this new song. It's very new. Like just a couple days old. And so understand, hopefully you will see through the lyrics. Lily, you can go ahead and throw the first verse up there. What we attempted to do was just to dive into Romans chapter 1 and see what kind of song might come out of that. And so here's what it sounds like. God of truth, creator of reality, the universe declares, and all this you're revealing, eternal God of creation, you move so we can see you. You gave everything so we could find and seek you. A world full of light, turning to idolatry. The enemy, he tries, but you made a way for us. Eternal God of creation, you move so we can see you. You gave everything so we could find and seek you. Do everything, you do everything. You're working to bring us home to you. You do everything, do everything. You're working to bring us back to you. Do everything, you do everything. You're working to bring us home to you. You do everything, you do everything. You're working to bring us back. Eternal God of creation, you move so we can see you. You gave everything so we could find and seek you. Eternal God of creation, you move so we can see you. And you gave everything so we could find and seek you. So we